We've noticed some silos forming between departments that could impact our project outcomes. Any suggestions for improving collaboration?
Perhaps we can organize regular cross-departmental meetings to discuss ongoing projects and share updates.
That could help. Let's start with bi-weekly sessions and see if it improves the flow of information.
Given the complexities of our upcoming infrastructure project, how are we managing potential risks?
We've developed a comprehensive risk management plan, which includes contingency strategies for each identified risk.
Excellent. Present this plan in our next project meeting and gather feedback from all department heads.
Are we prepared to handle any supply chain disruptions that might affect our project timeline?
We are diversifying our supplier base and increasing our inventory of critical components as preemptive measures.
That's prudent. Keep monitoring the situation and update the risk register as new information comes in.
The latest data visualization doesn't accurately reflect the seasonal trends we've observed. Can we adjust the parameters?
Certainly, I'll recalibrate the algorithms to better capture the cyclical patterns and update the charts accordingly.
Thank you, and please ensure the new visualizations are ready for the upcoming stakeholder presentation.
We need deeper insights from our consumer data to tailor our marketing strategies more effectively.
I suggest we implement a more advanced analytics platform that incorporates machine learning for predictive analysis.
That sounds promising. Draft a proposal detailing the technology requirements and the potential ROI. Our remote teams seem disconnected from the headquarters operations. How can we better integrate them?
Implementing a shared digital workspace where all teams can collaborate in real time might bridge that gap.
Investigate suitable platforms and set up a pilot program with one of our remote teams. We've received considerable feedback on our latest product. How can we integrate this into our development process?
Let's establish a formal review system to assess all feedback and determine actionable improvements.
Set up a task force to handle this process and report back with findings and recommendations.
To foster a more innovative atmosphere, we should encourage more brainstorming sessions.
I agree. Setting up a creative lab where team members can freely discuss new ideas might spark more creativity.
Allocate a space and resources for this and schedule the first session next month.
The data from the last campaign showed a significant spike in engagement, but no corresponding increase in sales. What's the disconnect?
It appears the call to action wasn't clear. I recommend A or B testing different calls to action in our next campaign to determine what works best.
Good idea. Set up the tests and monitor the conversion rates closely.
Our service team has been overwhelmed with customer inquiries and complaints. What are we doing to address this?
We're considering deploying an AI-driven chatbot to provide instant responses and reduce the workload on our team.
Proceed with the trial of this technology and assess its impact on customer satisfaction and team efficiency. To mitigate financial risks associated with our new product launch, should we consider external funding options?
Exploring venture capital could alleviate some pressure. I'll start reaching out to potential investors to gauge interest.
Prioritize this task. Securing additional funding will give us more flexibility in our development phase.
The feedback on our user interface is mixed. Some users find it intuitive, while others find it complex.
Let's conduct usability testing with a broader demographic to pinpoint specific areas of confusion and make targeted improvements.
Coordinate with the UCAS team to set up the testing sessions and ensure we collect comprehensive data.